Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. Today we will discuss New Fresh Way English Grammar Class 5 Lesson number 3 Pronouns. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used for a noun. So all those words like he, she, it, me, mine, they all are pronouns. They are used in place of nouns. We have 7 kinds of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns. First is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are those that are used for persons. They are of 3 kinds: pronouns of first person, second person, third person. I, me, my, mine, they all stand for the person or the person speaking. Okay, so they are pronouns of first person. And you, your, yours, they stand for the person or person spoken to. Okay, so they are pronouns of second person. He, she, it, they, him, her, they all stand for the persons or things spoken of. Okay, means they are talked about. So they are pronouns of third person. And I, we, you, he, she, it, they are the subjects of pronouns. That is why they are known as subject pronouns. Me, us, him, they all are object pronouns. And my, mine, ours, theirs, etc., they all are possessive pronouns because they show us possession. They tell us the ownership of something, so they are possessive pronouns. So when we use personal pronouns, we also use different cases of pronouns. First is subjective case, when pronouns are used as subject of sentences, like he is a teacher, so he is subject. Objective case means when pronouns are used as objects of verbs or prepositions, like my uncle gave me a gift and my uncle gave a gift to me. So me is here object. This is objective case. In possessive case, pronouns express ownership, like the books are mine or the bag is yours. So mine and yours, they are possessive. They are showing possession. So this is possessive case. So in this table we are given first person, second person, third person. They are the 3 different forms of personal pronouns. Like first person means I, we, second person is you, third person is he, she, it, they. Fine. Similarly me, us, you. So you can read this. Then we have exercise number 18. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. First is Anil is a hard-working student. The teachers like him. Will you go with me to the park tomorrow? It is fine today. Let us go for a picnic. How are you? I am quite well, thank you. You should not worry about her. She is fine. Do as you like. We should be proud of our country. I am thirsty. Can you please get me a glass of water? The captain and the team members posed with the trophy. They had it again after 3 years. Is this purse yours? No, it is not mine. It belongs to Sarita. Fine. So next we have second is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns have 2 possessive forms. Which are those 2? One is possessive adjectives, one is possessive pronouns. Like for I, it will be my and mine. We will be our and ours. You, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. They, their, theirs. Okay, so the forms my, our, your, his, her, etc., they are called possessive adjectives, and mine, ours, yours, they are called possessive pronouns. Okay, so then we have exercise 19. Say the following sentences in 2 ways as in the example. Like the example is I own this book. It can be written as this is my book and this book is mine. So based on this we own that house. The 2 forms will be that is our house, that house is ours. Second is you own that umbrella. Its 2 forms will be that is your umbrella, that umbrella is yours. He owns this car. This is his car, this car is his. She owns this pen. This is her pen. This pen is hers. They own those pictures. Those are their pictures. Those pictures are theirs. Okay. Next we have exercise 20. In the following sentences, use the verb to be instead of the verb belong. Okay. So we have to change the verb belong to the be form. First example is this book belongs to me. It can be written as this book is mine. So sentences are this house belongs to us. It can be written as this house is ours. This pen belongs to you. This pen is yours. That painting belongs to him. That painting is his. That umbrella belongs to her. That umbrella is hers. This shop belongs to them. This shop is theirs. Okay. Next we have reflexive pronouns. I cut myself when I was shaving. Satish fell over and hurt himself. Renu saw herself in the mirror. If you are not careful, you will hurt yourself. So all these words, myself, himself, herself, yourself, they all are reflexive pronouns. Okay. Why? Because in these sentences, the self pronoun is reflecting the action back to the doer. Means whoever is doing the action, that effect is coming on that person only. That is why they are known as reflexive pronouns. And the examples are, you can see in this table, myself is singular, plural is ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, plural form is themselves. Okay, so based on this we have exercise number 21. We often deceive ourselves. Did you all enjoy yourselves? The children hid themselves behind trees. Pearl dressed herself for the party. The rat found itself in a trap. They enjoyed themselves during the trip. He should blame himself for it. I enjoyed myself during the holidays. Did you solve this exercise yourself? There are plenty of oranges here, boys. Help yourselves. Next is demonstrative pronouns. This is my cap, that is Vipul's car, these are vegetables, those are houses. So all these words, they are demonstrating something. That is why they are known as demonstrative pronouns. We also use this, that, these, those before nouns. When these words are used before nouns, they become demonstrative adjectives. So the difference between demonstrative pronouns and adjectives is, demonstrative pronouns are, they directly point to something, but when these are used with nouns, they become demonstrative adjectives. Like this story is interesting, this is demonstrative adjective. Okay, so I hope you are clear up till here, children. In the next video we will discuss from indefinite pronouns. Till then, take care. Bye bye.